The last two things I want to show you today are how to put your robot to sleep. He's still awake, see, he's lit up. And to sign out of your Sphero account. So if I'm in a program, I'll click the back arrow, and this will look the same on the iPad. And then on the iPad, you'll click Home at the bottom of your screen to find the name or the number of your robot. In this case, mine is down here in the corner of my screen. So I'm just going to click on that. And you'll see right here, there's the option to sleep robot. I do not want it to be turned off. I just want it to go to sleep. So I'm going to click sleep. And you see down there it disconnected. And then the last thing I'm going to do, remove myself first, is sign out. And up here is where I can sign out. So I would click sign out up here. However, there's the option on your screen, you have to click on your profile. So here's where my profile is, but in your case, it would be along the bottom of the screen. So you click on profile and click sign out. And that's all I needed to do. That's it.